Today we are going to learn lesson number 3, image editing. Do you know the meaning of image editing? Image editing, it means modification of image. You can change or improving graphics of images. You all are learn from this chapter how we can edit image, how we crop the image, the size of, how we change the size of image, how we can save our file and the file format, and how we change the resolution and pixel of image. You learn from this lesson. Now we will discuss other points. So here Jyoti, Tejas and Moose are friends. They all are standing together and they all are discuss with each other how we can edit our images. So look it in this picture. So in the second picture, the image editor program are open. So here some dialogue between Jyoti, Tejas and Moose. Jyoti say, I want to prepare a souvenir for my grandparents on their wedding anniversary. It means Jyoti want to prepare her grandparents wedding anniversary album. She say Tejas is helping me do this. Means Tejas, you help me. Tejas reply, Jyoti's dad has given us photographs of her grandparents on a CD. Jyoti father have a photograph of her grandparents on a CD. Moth say, you can create a collage, a poster or a booklet using these photographs. Moth say, you collect this photograph from the CD and you can create a collage, poster and booklet of the photograph. Jyoti say, I want to use these photographs to show some interesting events in my grandparents' lives. Let us make a collage. Jyoti want to make a collage of her grandparents' photographs. Mose, a pictorial illustration is a good choice to meet your purpose. It means the pictorial collection is very best. CD, DVD and pen drive are a removable storage device. CD, DVD and pen drive, they all are the removable storage device that can be used to transfer a file between computers. And with the use of CD, DVD and pen drive, you can take a backups. Tejas say, let us list the steps for this task. We all are make the steps for creating this task. Jyoti say, first I need to select the photograph that show some interesting event of their lives. So first of all, what are you doing to create a collage, is to create a album? So first of all, we select some photographs, interesting photograph of the events, and then after you can edit these photographs and make a collages. So Tejas reply, then arrange the photographs in the sequence of when these events occur. So here your second step is arrange all the photographs with sequence regarding your grandparents' events. Jyoti say, these photographs can then be inserted into college. Moj reply, I see that you are applying your knowledge of different thinking skills to decide the photograph to be included. First of all, Jyoti apply her knowledge to create the photographs. Tejas and Jyoti select some photographs. Jyoti say, some of the pictures need modification before we can use them in the college. So, before making a college, first of all, we can modify the image. We need to use an application for editing picture. So if you are want to editing your picture, so first of all you have any editing application, and then after you can edit your pictures. Moj replied to Jyoti, there are many applications available for editing image like GIMP and MT Paint. MT Paint and GIMP are the editing application. Let us explore MT Paint, which is simple image editing application with various utilities. MT Paint is the very simple image editing application. They just say, okay, let me double click the MT Paint icon to start the application. So first point, if you want to open MT Paint application, so in your PC you must be download MT Paint application, and then after you start the application to create on the start application button. Jyoti's reply to Tejas, let us use the file open option to open one of our pictures and explore how it can be edited. So first step, to click on the start icon, then after you open any picture, and then after you can edit this picture. Apply thinking skill while working on any task or application. In the given example, dividing the task into series of main and detailed steps and selecting a few photographs. However, the other involves a stepwise thinking and logical reasoning. So first, if you want to create a college of your event and or of your all events, so first of all you collect your information with stepwise your event, and then after you can create a college with particular event. So here your stepwise thinking and logical reasoning are applied. They just say it would be good to change the color of this picture. Changing the color of picture, it is a very good. I wonder if we can also add text to it. With the use of MT Paint application, we can change the color of the picture and we can also add text to it. Jyoti say, I would also like to select only a portion of the image for the college. Jyoti like to select only a portion of the image, only one portion of the image to create a college. Moj say, all these features are available in a image editing application. All the features are available to create a image editing application. Here the first point, image editing. Image editing is a typical done in a two ways. There are a two way to image editing. First one, changing the image by adjusting the attribute like size, color, contrast and etc. So first step is adjusting the attribute of images like a size, color and contrast. Sizes means image size, image height and width. Color it means image grayscale, Blu-ray, that's it. And contrast it means brightness of the images. Step 2. By editing new attributes like shape, text or new images. So the two way are used to image editing. Modes. Say, let us start editing the image now. We all are start to editing the image. Are you ready, students? Jyoti say, Jyoti reply, I want to remove the left window from this image. Jyoti want to remove a left portion of the picture. So what she do? She do cropping an image. She using cropping image. So with the use of cropping image, we can remove some specific portion of the picture. So here your topic is cropping an image. Do you know what is the meaning of cropping image? So cropping image is the removal of unwanted outer areas from a photograph or illustrate image. Cropping image means remove some unwanted areas of photograph. So it is called cropping image. So here the steps how we crop the image. Step 1, click the Mac selection icon in the toolbar. Step 2, select the required portion of the image. Step 3, select image menu. Choose crop option to crop the image, and then after only the selected portion is cropped. After finishing this session, in the next lecture I show you practical how we editing a image. जैसे we need to reduce the size of the images to include them in the college. Can we reduce the size of this image without losing some part of it? Yes, we can reduce the size of the image without removing any part. So it is called scaling. Scaling means reduce the size of this image without losing some part of the image. So it is called scaling. So here your topic is changing the size of an image. It means you can change your size of image. Here look it in this picture. Original size, width, height, new size, width and height. Then after first accept ratio is here and then you can press OK. So from the image option on the menu bar, select the scale canvas. What are you selecting? Scale canvas. So this is the scale canvas picture. In the pop-up window, enter the desired width. In this pop-up window, you enter the desired width and height, and then after you click OK button. The canvas is set to the new size. Okay, understood? what we do? First of all, open the scale canvas, and then after we adjust the width and height, and then after we click on OK option. Your size is, photo size is increase or decrease. Jyoti say, it would be fun to make some pictures look like they are very old. Can we convert a colors image to a black and white image? Yes, we can convert our image to a black and white image. So this image is called grayscale image. Grayscale image means convert image into black and white images. So it is called grayscale images. These images are composed only of different shades of black color. So look it into this picture. The first color is coloring picture, and then after we go into the effect option, and then after we click on the grayscale option, then the picture's color is changed into the black shade. So this option is available in empty paint application. So where it is available? Into the menu bar. Go into the menu bar, then after you go into the effect option, then after you can click on grayscale option. Your color will be changed from coloring image to black image. Jyoti say, I click it, see how the same picture look in grayscale. So it is very older picture. It is look like a older picture. Mods reply, these are only some of the options we can use for editing an image. Now we move to other option. Jyoti say, some of the photographs have dates. I want to add this to the image. It means some of the image, below the image the date is display. So how it is created? They just reply to Jyoti, we can also add some funny caption to some of these image. Let us try the option T under the toolbar menu. You move into the toolbar menu. Under the toolbar menu, the option T. So with the use of option T, we can editing any tags into image. So here your topic is editing tags on a image. So step 1, click paste text T on the toolbar. Click on the T option from the toolbar. Step 2, in the pop-up window, enter the text to be inserted. First, you can enter the text in the pop-up menu, and then after you can click here. Also select the font size and style, then click paste text. You also select the font size and font style from the pop-up menu. The type text appear in the middle of the image. Your type text appear into the middle of the image. The type text appear in the middle of the image. Look at here. I know how to keep you fit. So this is my type text. So it is look it into the middle of the image. It is appear here. Fourth step, drag the text box and place it where you want. Then either right click the mouse or press the enter key on the keyboard. The text is now placed in the desired spot. It means you can add these tags. I know how to keep you fit. So you can press on your cursor, right click, and you can drag in any desired place. Desired place means you want your choice place, and then after you press enter key from the keyboard. So your text will move into your desired place. Mostly, apart from inserting tags, you can also add shapes to image. So here the another option is adding shapes to an image. They just reply. Let us add more kites to this photograph of you and your grandfather flying a kite. It will look more colorful. Here look it into this picture. The grandfather fly only one kite. And you look into the other pictures. There are more kite are flying on in the sky. So how it is possible? It is possible for adding shapes to an image. So we move to our other topic, adding shapes to an image. Step 1. From the toolbar choose either mesh selection or polygon selection button. Step 2. Select the area in the image where you want to insert a shape using the mouse. First of all, you select your area to insert a shape. Third step, now click the desired shape from the toolbar. You select your shape from the toolbar. And step 4, the selected area is filled with the chosen shape. Your selected area is filled with your shape. They just say, we have a picture of Jyoti when she was 2 years old, running away from her grandma. We have a pictures of Jyoti. She was 2 years old and she was running away from her grandma. Let us make this image more interesting. Can we add some speed lines to make her look like she is running fast? Yes, we can do this. Sumoj replied to Tejas. One way to introduce this effect is by using smooth. With the use of smooth option, we can increase the running speed. When you use this option and drag the cursor, the color in that area is blurred. Look it into this picture. The first picture, grandma running away. Look it here into this picture. Jyoti running away from her grandma. In the second picture, here I increase the speed of size with the use of smooth option. So with the use of smooth option, we can increase the size of speed. So here the picture is looking blurred. Jyoti said, wow, now the picture is full of life with a smooth effect. It looks as if I was running in a competition. Now look it into this picture. This picture, second picture is looking like running competition. So here in this picture, Jyoti look like running into the competition. Mose, there are many such tools like flood fill, draw straight line, draw and fill shapes, which can be used to bring your image to life. They all are the tools. Now that you are done editing the image, remember to save them. So you all are editing your image. After finishing your editing, you first of all you can save your image. If you not save your image, so it is not display into the screen. Shruti say, if I press Ctrl plus S to save the image. The shortcut key of save the image is Ctrl plus S. It will overwrite the original image. So let us save this image using save as option. You can, which allow us to change the file name and also retain the original image. Mood say, good thinking Jyoti. Alternatively, you could also have made a copy of the original image with another file name before editing these image. So with the use of save as option, we can overwrite the other files. So here while saving, I see so many options like GIF, PNG, JPG and TIFF. They all are the file format option. Which file format should we use to save the image? So it is used to save our file. So this is the file image format. Mode say, similar to text documents, save with different extension like ODT, DOC, image can be saved in different format with extension like JPG, TIFF and PNG. It means you can save any document files. The extension of document file is .do. If you save any image, the file extension will be .jpg, .tiff and .png. So empty pane save the image with .jpg extension. So .jpg extension is a by default extension. Mode say, image saved in .jpg format are recognized by most of the application. You can try saving in different formats and check how they look on the screen. You can check how it is look on the screen. So we are doing this all image editing option into the next lecture. Thanks. Have a nice day.